So what are we doing today?
Today is going to experiment. Some tea. This is Da Hong Pao. It's a Wu Yi modern oolong tea. Same tea, and we're gonna experiment in different kind of water. You see amazing result. The result tea, color, taste come out different. We use exactly same amount tea, 8 grams of tea. And this side, we're going to use different kind of water. My left hand side here is use a Fiji water. It's boiled, the boiled water. And this side is regular water from the city. It's a filtered water. That's why it's called Gong Hu tea. This is Gong Hu tea. Gong Hu tea, that means you need skill, but also you good tea, like tea, high level from 1 to 10. If the tea is high level tea, from 1 to 10 is level 10. But the water quality is 5. That means because tea absorbs all the water gonna bring the tea down to 5. That means you waste your money. Also, you see the color darker too. And taste much better too. And also this, if you use right water to make your tea, high quality water. Why? Because the mineral in water. It uses also the pH too. This is high pH. Even use next time we're gonna use to compare with Fiji and Poland water. It's different too. You see the colors. Look, you see? The color different, right? Same tea but different water. And this water, same tea but Fiji water gonna be last for 30 times. Stronger and stronger and tastes better and better. But this one with a filtered water or Poland spring, other kind of spring water, is going to be just 10 times no more taste, no more taste. And the color, see the different, aroma different too.
Wow.
See, you can smell it different, okay? And gonna taste different too.
Wow.
See,
That's a big
this one strong aroma. The energy amazing.
Wow.
it's a big
That means this side is high quality water. Still 10. Tea is a 10. Water is 10. Okay, still 10. The tea come out 10. This side water low quality. Is the tea is 10. The water is 5. That means the tea bring down to 5. That means if high quality. This 1 pot of tea is $100, but uses the water cheap, gonna be waste the money. $100 no more, become went down to 5. 5 or went down to 2. The water is 2, went down to 2. That means you waste $80 already.
wow.
Now you have to taste. Now this side is taste different. this is Fiji water, and this side is regular water. This is like filtered water from the city, West Hartford. But city water is a problem. Is they also put chlorine or fluoride too. It's put chemical in the city water. If you use spring water, they don't put anything out and not take out anything either. Okay, now try the tea. Tell me what it tastes.
Okay.
Now we let people know. You can stay here. You let you talk first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the Fiji water. It smells great.
Yeah, the flavor is really strong.
Very flavorful and smooth.
Smooth and more flavor.
Wow. And this is the filtered water. City filtered water.
Wow. Yeah, that tastes really different.
Yeah.
Okay, now here's
More bitter.
Oh wow. Yeah, the flavor isn't as strong with the not Fiji water.
not to taste.
Filtered
You
water.
come back to talk.
Yeah? Oh,
Yeah.
you're gonna come later.
Okay.
Next screen. You tell people.
Okay, so the flavor with the Fiji water, there's a noticeable difference. Even just in the teacups, you could see that one is clearly darker than the other. And the flavor is way better with the Fiji water. You can taste all the different notes and the earthiness in the tea made with the Fiji water, but not really with the filtered water. Which is surprising too, because we have reverse osmosis filtered water. So it's not just regular filtered water, it's high quality filtered water, but the Fiji still tastes a lot better. Would you guys agree?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, next time we're gonna explain the Fiji water and Poland spring water. Fiji is spring water, but Poland is spring water. You compare different water, they taste different too. But still, I try 20 cups spring water already, but this is the best for the oolong tea. But every tea still you need different water. Some water maybe have to be from Europe or from the local here in the mountain. But some of the tea, depending on what kind of tea you make it. Like Phoenix Mountain, the best way is Phoenix Mountain have a spring water on the mountain. You get water from there next to the tea tree. That's the best. Already, but right now we are not in the Phoenix Mountain. We are not in Wuyi Mountain. Now we have to find some water is similar to Wuyi Mountain. This is Wuyi Mountain, Fujian, China, southern China. The oolong tea come from. Okay, hope you have fun. Next time, see you again in experiment.
Yeah.